Hello friends, welcome again. Our secretarial practice, chapter 3, formation of a company, second lecture. Myself, Mrs. Sheetal Kaviraj Jadhav. Now, I start stages in the formation of a company. So that means what is the procedure of the formation of a company. How many stages of the formation of a company? See here, first one, promotion stage, second one, incorporation of company, and third one, commencement of a business. So we will see one by one. The Companies Act 2013. So that means when company format, each and every company follow the rules of the Companies Act 2013. A company shall be formed for any lawful purpose. So what's the purpose of the main company? This is the lawful purpose. Minimum 7 promoters needed for a public company. Already I taught you in the last video. And 2 promoters for a private company. Remember, 7 promoters needs for a public company and 2 promoters for a private company and 1 promoter for 1 person company. All the promoters must subscribe their names to the memorandum of association. So that means each and every promoters mention their names to the memorandum of association. Memorandum of association, this is the very important document of each and every company. Memorandum of association mention that all the aims and objectives of that company. Okay. So the promoter must uh, comply with all the provisions of Companies Act 2013 with respect to incorporation of a company. So that means each and every company, each and every promoters can follow the rules and regulation of a Companies Act 2013. So see here, let's learn about the different stages in the formation of a company. First one, promotion stage. Promotion of a company means taking all the necessary steps to incorporate a company as per the provision of Companies Act 2013. So many times ask the question, what is promotion? Yeah, what's the write a short note of a promotion. So promotion, it is a first stage of the promotion of a company. So in the promotion, promoter is very important. So let's see what's the meaning of promoters. Promoters means who want to form a company, who devises a plan, who gives an idea for a business venture, one who takes the preliminary steps necessary for the formation of a company. So that means promoter is the first person who wants a form of a company. The person who undertakes the process of formation or promotion of a company are called promoters. A promoter can individual, yeah, a promoter can a partner, a promoter may be company, promoter an associate or a syndicate. So that means promoter can be one person also, in can individual, a partner, a company also the promoter, an association also the promoter, okay, or a syndicate. So what's the meaning of syndicate? Means a group of individual or organizations who have come together to promote a common interest. So that is called the syndicates. So this is the meaning of promoters. So let's learn that was the definition of a promoter. See here. Definition of promoters. Section 269 of the Companies Act 2013 define the promoters definition. Who has been named as such in a prospectus or is identified by the company in the annual return. So that means promoter means whose name is mentioned in the prospectus and annual return. So what's the meaning of the prospectus? Prospectus means it is a document when issued by a public company to invite the public. Why invite the public? To purchase the shares. When company issue the shares, so in that time company first invite to the public. So this is the documents, and these documents mention in that promoter's name, and also is identified by the company in the annual return. Also they mention in the annual return. So what's the meaning of annual return? Means it is a yearly statement prepared by the company which gives information about a company, ownership, activities and financial position, and is filled with the ROC. Already I taught you ROC means register of a company. So that means annual return fill up given to fill the ROC also, register of company. Okay. So that means first definition is I told you what's the meaning of promoters, who has been named as a such in prospectus and identified by the company in the annual return. Okay. This is the second definition. Promoter means who has control over the affairs of the companies. So that means this person, promoter, can control over the affairs just like directly or indirectly as a shareholders or a directors. Remember. But remember, a person who is assisting the promoter. So that means, for example, lawyer and accountant assist the promoter. These person, lawyer and accountant, cannot be called as a promoter. Remember this one. Okay. Next. This is the steps in promotion of a company. So that means when format the company important three steps. Okay. First one promotion steps, and in the promotion steps again the subtypes. First one promotion involve the following steps. First one, come up with business idea or activity. This is the first sub stage of the promotion of a company. Second stage is the prepare financial plan. Next one, prepare draft, memorandum of association and article of association. Enter into preliminary contract, and last one, appoint first director. These all is the stages of the promotion of a company. Many times ask the question, what short note or short question, explain these steps in promotion of a company. Okay. So all of you see here, draw then after this chart. Okay. So we will see one by one. Steps in promotion of a company. First one, come up with an idea or suggest a business activity. So that means promoter come up with a business activity that they wish to undertake. So then first one, study all the details. When choose the business, then after studying various activities, various factors, for example, just like scope of business, how to scope, how to expand our business. So what's the competition in the market? Okay, so first see, first each and every point, each and every activity choose the promoter first. So that means first one, scope of business. What's the expand, how to expand our business, what's the scope of business, and what's the competition in the market, and what's the availability of the factors of production. This is very important. if we will make that production but not the availability, not the utilize that for production, so first promoters can check each and every, okay, then after applicable laws, so that means they prepare a business plan. So first see each and every study of that the activities. Second one, prepare financial plan. Financial plan, so that means money plan. So promoters decide the scale of operation, accordingly prepare the financial plan. Okay. So promoter financial gives detailed amount of the capital needed from where to raise it. So that means how to raise our business, how to raise our capital, how to raise the money. So promoter can give that an ideas and prepare a financial plan. And next step is a prepare draft of memorandum of association and article of association. This is the third stage of preparation of promotion of a company, steps in promotion of a company. So in this stage, promoter prepare a draft memorandum, means MOA and AOA. So promoters prepare this draft because of both are the important documents. Memorandum of Association and Article of Association both are important because of memorandum is the this document is important for each and every company, mention the aims and objectives of that company. An article of association, that means mention the rules and regulation of that company. So in these both the documents which is to be submitted along with the application for incorporation. When incorporate our company, so in that time both the documents submitted to the ROC, that means Register of Companies, remember. Okay. Then next, enter into preliminary contract. This is the fourth stage. On behalf of the proposed company, the promoters may enter to preliminary contracts with the third party. Okay. So that means promoters can start our business activity immediately when get the after the incorporation certificate. Okay. So promoters can start the each and every work. Preliminary contracts also third parties, so that means third party means, for example, related to that business. Maybe third party of that purchaser, seller, bankers, etc. So that means they enter on behalf of all the activities immediately after this incorporation. Okay. And the last one is the appoint first directors. Promoters have to appoint first directors, but many times take charge of management. Directors take charge of management but generally nominate themselves, खुद अपने को themselves as a first director of a company. So that means promoter have a appoint first directors, but mostly nominate themselves as a first directors of a company. Is it clear now? All of you understood? What's the first stage? Promotion of a company. Okay. Then next lecture. Next. Second point. Second stage. Okay.